Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the chromatogram graph using zoom functions, and how to stay oriented using the preview graph. There are several ways to zoom in Clarity. You can use the mouse to select a part of the graph you want to see, or use keyboard shortcuts. To zoom in on the graph, simply make a selection with the mouse. To zoom in and out, you can use the plus and minus keys. Or hold Ctrl and scroll the mouse wheel. To zoom only the Y-axis, hold both Ctrl and Shift while scrolling. To unzoom, double-click anywhere in the graph, press Ctrl and asterisk on the numeric keypad, or select Unzoom command in toolbar or local menu. To jump between zoom levels, use the previous zoom and next zoom commands, in the local menu, or toolbar, or press Ctrl and plus or minus. Once zoomed in, you can move around the graph in several ways. Scroll the mouse wheel to move up and down along the Y-axis. Hold Shift and scroll the mouse wheel to move left and right along the X-axis. Alternatively, use the arrow keys to shift the visible area in their respective direction. Another way to move around the zoomed view is to hold Ctrl and drag with the left mouse button. The preview graph helps you stay oriented when zoomed in. To turn it on, right-click on the graph area, and select Preview Graph in the local menu. It's displayed as a horizontal bar above the main chromatogram. It shows the entire chromatogram, with the current zoomed area outlined. You can drag the highlighted area to move your view, or resize it to adjust the zoom range. All the zoom tools, including mouse gestures, keyboard shortcuts, and menu commands, along with the preview graph, work together to give you full control over viewing details of the graph. Thank you for your attention. For more videos, check our YouTube channel.